Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I did a transfer painting with some negative space. I just finished season 2 of the Wednesday Addams show on Netflix, so I wanted to do something with some purples and interference colors. And I'm going to be completely honest, there's a really good cover of Bad Moon Rising on that Wednesday soundtrack, and I wanted to use that on Facebook, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to do a purple with interference color painting inspired by the show. So how we're doing this, and all of the recipes information is in the description below. I put down a white house paint pillow, but I wanted a black background, and I do not like the color to go pillows. So I'm going to use a faux pillow, just a layer of color that I'm going to load up on this scooper and then transfer over my white pillow. Now my faux pillow color is mixed just like all the other colors. So I've got a white pillow down. I load up this scooper with a ton of black, more black than I need. I'll just scrape it off. And then I come down and transfer that over top. Get as close to you as you can to your board when you're doing that transfer to reduce the air bubbles. And when you start out, you're gonna have a lot of paint on your scooper, so hold it at a slight angle. Just let it run off, and as that paint starts running out and getting thinner, you're gonna tilt your scooper up almost vertically as you get to the end. After we had that, I set this aside. And I got this little board. I just reuse this over and over when I do transfers. I put white pillow down again. I put black because I'm using interference pigments from this little Piggy. So those show up on a black or a dark base. So I needed that black down as my first color. Put a couple purples, a couple interference colors, some black SHELEE Art Cell Activator, and blew it out like a normal bloom. Once I had that bloom blown out, I came in with this scooper and scooped up half of it and then transferred that down onto the bigger board. Then I came back, scooped up the other half of it, transferred that down, spun it out, and called it a day. Now, I do wish that I basically did the transfer parts kind of horizontally across the board. I wish I would have done them at a diagonal. I think it would have looked a little bit better. But anyways, it's Sunday. I gotta have this video posted Monday, so I ran out of time. I appreciate you guys being here. This week, I believe both Kathy and Tanya will have videos following me, so those will be listed in the description below. I appreciate you guys being here, and I hope you have an excellent day.